very wonderful gesture from Mr. Hobart to do that. I think when he suggested that, I was thrilled that this is coming as a proactive action from a leader of this county and acknowledging such a great day for all of us today, right? And I think I thank Mr. Hobart for taking time, preparing the proclamation, coming all the way in here and talking to our congregation.
देह शिवा बर मोहे है शुभ कर मन ते कबहू न टरो देह शिवा बर मोहे है शुभ कर मन ते कबहू न टरो करो निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करो देह शिवा बर मोहे देह शिवा बर मोहे अरसिक हो अपने ही मन को लालच हो गुण तो उचरो जब आओ कि औद निधान बने अत हिरन में तब जूझ मरो बोले सोनिहाल देह शिवा पर मोहे है शुभ कर मन ते कबहू न टरो.
Hello everyone, we are at the Livermore Gurdwara or the Tri-Valley Sikh Center, and this is a wonderful place because congregations have been in this place that unite everyone and that give the message of love and peace that Guru Nanak Dev Ji has been giving from many years to the Sikh disciples. And we are very honored today to have here with us Mr. David Hubert, who is the supervisor of the Alameda County that covers at least 20 cities in and around Livermore, like Dublin, Pleasanton, Hayward, Union City, Oakland, Piedmont, and many more. So it's a great honor because today the Sikh community has received a wonderful proclamation to congratulate India on 75 years of her independence from the Brit rule. And on this wonderful day of Indian Independence Day, David Hubert has himself made it to the Tri-Valley Sikh Center and has presented the proclamation to the Sikh Gurdwara management here at the Tri-Valley Sikh Center in Livermore.
Commendation from the Board of Supervisors of Alameda County, presented for the Livermore Gurdwara for India's Independence Day. With great honor, I, Alameda County Supervisor David Howard, hereby recognizes India's Independence Day on the 15th day of August, when it became a free, democratic, and independent nation in 1947. India's Independence Day reminds the country's citizens of all the sacrifices the freedom fighters have made to secure the country's future. And since its independence, India has made stellar progress in every field, including education, military, space programs, technology, and many more. I wish you a happy Independence Day.
Mr. Hubert, I know this is not the first time you've been in the Gurdwara, and even when you were a mayor of Dublin in the past, You had been to the Dublin Civic Center where the congregations were held. How's the overall feel?
This is a beautiful, wonderful, congratulatory day to the leaders of the Sikh community here in the Livermore Gurdwara. Congratulations not only on the completion, near completion, full completion of the Gurdwara, and your travel from Dublin City Hall, where you met for 3 years, to this Gurdwara. Congratulations. But also congratulating entire India for 75 years of independence. And since that 75 years, wow, how long it's been. What a great accomplishments you've all had. We welcome you here to the Tri-Valley. You are welcome here. You are okay to celebrate National Independence Day for India. It is okay to be Indian here in America. It is okay to be Sikh here in America. It is okay to be Punjabi here in America. We welcome you all. We thank you for being here. Congratulations. We're so excited for you.
And this is the beauty of the United States of America, that it always gives the message of liberty, justice, and equality. And people are free to practice their religion, people are free to practice their faith and live the life their way. And Parvinder, you have been on the Sikh Gurdwara Management Board from pretty some time now. And you're holding, I would say proudly holding this beautiful proclamation. So how's the feel overall for the Sikh community?
Justin Ji Wagjaya Khalsa Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh Ji. First of all, I'd like to say it's a very wonderful gesture from Mr. Hobart to do that. I think when he suggested that, I was thrilled that this is coming as a proactive action from a leader of this county and acknowledging such a great day for all of us today, right? And I think I thank Mr. Hobart for taking time, preparing the proclamation, coming all the way in here and talking to our congregation and giving us this congratulatory proclamation in here. And as you know, when we talk about independence of India, it's incomplete without talking about all the sacrifices that all the communities of India have made, especially the Sikhs and the Punjabis. As they say, the Punjabis and the Sikhs have been 2% of the overall Indian community, but 90% of the sacrifices that were made for getting India independent were made by Sikhs and Punjabis. So this is, I believe, an acknowledgement in that reflection. I think this is to reflect that Sikhs are important not just in India for making that independent, but also all the progress they're making here in the United States, and how we are weaved in the fabric of California and the United States. I think this is a wonderful proclamation. Once more, thank you, Mr. Hobart, for doing this. We really appreciate that.
Wonderful, and I would also like to come to you, Mr. Parvinder Sagu, and get your feelings as an Indian American.
I think, first of all, David Hobart, thank you. I think you have been definitely a very big help from since day one, since Dublin when we started. And by providing that hall, doing us a big favor so that we could do our divans there while this property was being kind of constructed. And so again, very big thank you to you. And now, as Parvinder said, I just wanted to add further that Sikhs here want to contribute to community as well. And I told the other day also that we do Tan, Man and Dhan, all three types of sevas, and we would want to continue with that. Wherever there is an opportunity for us to participate with you for the betterment of the overall community here in Tri-Valley, please reach out to us and we'll be more than happy. Since our Gurdwara is still not fully functional, we could make meals for the needies and we could distribute also wherever it is needed. We did that making from home during the COVID when it started, and we would love to do more, any type of service we could add to. With that, again, thank you for giving this proclamation and really appreciate for coming over here. Thank you.
Wonderful. Anyone who would like to add anything?
I think one of the things that you probably noticed, the words freedom fighter, and freedom fighters included a Ghadar party which started right here in Berkeley. So the students who came from India, they started it, and then they went back to India to fight for the freedom. So thanks for picking the right words, and appreciate it.
Thank you so much, and once again, big congratulations to the entire Sikh community on this wonderful occasion of Indian Independence Day. Keep celebrating, keep rejoicing. God bless America.
Sri Lanka.